Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only fascinating but also incredibly beneficial for your health: raw garlic. You might be familiar with garlic as a staple in your kitchen, but did you know that consuming it raw can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits? Raw garlic contains potent compounds that can significantly enhance your overall well-being. One of raw garlic's standout benefits is its ability to improve circulation. The sulfur compounds in garlic help to relax blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing the risk of thrombosis. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can support a healthier heart and lower your chances of developing severe cardiovascular issues. But that's not all. Raw garlic is also a potent immune booster. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties to help your body fend off infections and diseases. You can proactively enhance your immune system and maintain your health by understanding how raw garlic works. In this video, we'll explore these benefits in greater detail and provide practical tips on incorporating raw garlic into your daily routine. So, stick around as we uncover the super benefits of raw garlic and how it can transform your health and wellness journey. The power of raw garlic. Raw garlic is often hailed as a superfood for good reason. Its unique properties stem from various active compounds, the most notable being allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, it releases allicin, which is responsible for many health benefits. This powerful compound gives garlic its distinctive aroma and is crucial in promoting cardiovascular health. Allicin has been shown to improve circulation by relaxing blood vessels and enhancing blood flow. This can significantly reduce the risk of thrombosis, a condition where blood clots form, and can lead to serious health issues like heart attacks or strokes. In addition to its cardiovascular benefits, raw garlic is a natural immunity booster. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties found in garlic help strengthen the immune system, making it more effective at fighting infections and diseases. Regularly consuming raw garlic can enhance your body's defenses, allowing you to stay healthier and more resilient. From improving circulation and reducing the risk of thrombosis to boosting immunity, raw garlic is a powerhouse of nutrition that can play a vital role in your overall health. Enhancing circulation. Raw garlic is a natural remedy with impressive benefits for improving blood circulation. The key to garlic's effectiveness is its ability to dilate blood vessels. This process is primarily attributed to allicin, the active compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin relaxes the smooth muscles in blood vessel walls, allowing them to widen. This dilation improves blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Numerous studies have highlighted garlic's role in promoting cardiovascular health. Research has shown that regular consumption of garlic can lead to lower blood pressure and reduced cholesterol levels, critical factors in maintaining healthy circulation. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed garlic supplements experienced significant improvements in their blood pressure readings compared to those who did not. Given this compelling evidence, incorporating raw garlic into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance circulation. Whether you add it to salads, dressings, or even smoothies, the benefits of raw garlic are easy to enjoy. So, to boost cardiovascular health and improve overall circulation, consider making raw garlic a regular part of your meals. Your body will thank you for it. Combating thrombosis. Thrombosis is a severe medical condition characterized by the formation of blood clots within blood vessels. These clots can obstruct blood flow and lead to severe health complications, including heart attacks and strokes. Understanding the risks associated with thrombosis is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health, and raw garlic can play a significant role in this process.